All right, and so for today we have Pollo Asado Burritos. They are so damn good. I gotta say, people, they're so awesome. Very easy to make. So, without further ado, people, let's make this shit. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, so Pollo Asado, so damn good. And honestly, this one that I'm making right now, this is not your normal Pollo Asado recipe. This one comes from my Carne Asada recipe. I'm integrating the same marinade into it, and I'm gonna be doing some other things as well. So, without further ado, people, let's make this shit. Stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna kick this off with our pico, which I'm gonna take a purple onion, and I'm gonna go ahead and dice up the purple onion. You can use white if you wanna use white, but I'm using purple. I prefer purple onion in my pico. Then we're gonna go ahead and dice up some Roma tomatoes as well. You can use whatever kind of tomatoes you wanna use. I just highly recommend Roma tomatoes for a pico de gallo because they're a little less juicy and they work well with the pico de gallo. Then we're gonna go ahead and dice up 1 to 2 jalapeños. It's up to your choice on the jalapeños. If you can't take the heat of a jalapeno, then fine, go down to like a bell pepper. That's perfectly fine. If you can't take the heat of a jalapeno, go to a bell pepper, people. It's perfectly fine. Then we're gonna go ahead and slice up some cilantro as well. We're gonna add this to a bowl and then we're gonna add some lime juice as well after we rock our knife through the cilantro and have everything in there. Just add about half a lime and yeah, there you go. You got your pico de gallo. All right, so we've got the Pollo Asada here, and it's been marinating. I will link it all in the recipe below in the description, but yes, it is very simple, very easy to make, and yeah, you'll have it. So awesome. Stay tuned. Next, we're gonna go ahead and into a hot pan, we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken here, our Pollo Asado. And yes, I did oil it beforehand. Go ahead and scoop it out a little bit so that all the chicken doesn't stick too much to the pan. And we're just gonna cook it really well on both sides. So we want a nice sear, a nice Maillard on both sides. And remember, you can find the Pollo Asado recipe down in the description below. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and chop up our Pollo Asado. So I'm looking for dices here. Sorry, my hand, that's an old army injury. Sometimes it hits me. But I do dice it into nice cubes. And yeah, going to go ahead and take our burrito tortilla here and lay in some nice cilantro and lime rice, which you can find in many of my other previous recipes. And then our nice Pollo Asado, lay that in, and then of course our pico de gallo there. And yeah, it's super healthy, super easy to make, awesome for a meal prep. And then we're just gonna fold it up, be very gentle with it. You can add some black beans and corn if you want to. I prefer to do so, but really be careful when you're folding it up because the tortilla can break. The better quality of tortilla you can find, the less likely it is going to break. They're a little bit more malleable than the store-bought ones. But yeah, gonna go ahead and toast this one, and then we are ready to eat, people. Awesome. Thank you so much for watching. All right, and we are all done here, so gonna go ahead and try this out, and gotta say, it looks so damn good. It smells so damn good. And yeah, here we are. Gonna do no hot sauce with this. I would like to have some hot sauce, but yeah, here we go. Gotta say, this one is so good. It's light. You don't have to sit there and like have like heavy ingredients for this one. It's so easy to make, and yeah, healthy, awesome, has all the flavor. I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna have it with some hot sauce, but yeah, cheers. I'm out.